Hello students, myself Neeraj Sharma, Senior Software Faculty of CEC Head Office. Today we are going to learn an interesting topic. So let's see what we are going to learn today. Welcome back guys, part 2 of HTML. So today we are going to learn heading tags, paragraph tag and image insertion. So what are heading tags? So simply heading tags are subtitles or titles you can display on a web page. Likewise there is a paragraph tag. Paragraph tags are usually a block of text you can apply on your website. So let's see how it is created. So first we'll go to Notepad. We write the basic formatting of HTML head, then we'll give title, in title our page name, so I can give anything like our web page. Then we'll close the heading tag. We'll start the body tag and the body tag and close the HTML tag, and we'll save as web.html to view this file. So as you can see it's opening, but we can't see anything because it's nothing is there. So we add something. If we add some text, it's displaying. If I write again in the next line some text, so it will display in a single line, but I want in the next line. For that purpose we have the paragraph tag. If I put this in P, inside the P tag, see P always starts on the next line. So now you can see it's on the next line. So for block elements we will use the paragraph tag. Likewise we have heading tags. So heading tags are used for giving the display or subtitle, like our web page such as will give h1 like image insertion. So there are 6 heading tags. So this is our heading. So it depends. See, HTML heading tags are defined with the h1 to h6 tags. H1 defines the most important heading and h6 defines the least important. So this is our most important. So most important is always written in the h1 tag, and which is not important or very least important, it will be in the h6, h5, h4. It depends on you when you want to use. So text insert, I'll insert some text, some random text. I'll copy this, put again, so it will show in a single line only. So these are some tags. Likewise we have, this is h1, we'll see what is h2 does. This is h2, likewise I'm going till h6. So as you can see, h6 is the smallest, h1 is the largest. Likewise you will see h2, h3, h4, h5 and 6. So this part done. Then next thing is we can align this text also. Like I want this h1 to be aligned in the center, so we use the center, align equals to center. See, it's in the center. Likewise h6 I want to align center, or I want to align this paragraph in center. So in the opening bracket you just write a align equal wherever you want to center red. Likewise suppose I want to do this in the right. so it's in the right. These are automatic left and this is in center. Now we'll add some pictures. So inserting picture, we will use the image tag, image src source and the source of the file, and close it. So we have to find where is the image. So I already have this image in my desktop wallpaper. You can find your image in pictures or anywhere you have downloaded and saved. So I'm going to insert picture. I'll put this Batman picture. So for putting that, open with Internet Explorer, copy the link and put inside the source. So I'll refresh. So this, see, the picture is getting very big, which I don't want. I want to be small. For that we will use height and width property. So width equals 100, height equals 100. You can give anything you want. See, it's getting small. We can align this picture also, like align. Okay, it doesn't work here. Alignment. We can add more pictures here. Let's add one more picture here. Okay, we'll add this picture, Black Panther, to open with Internet Explorer. Copy the link, go to Netpad and write one more file like image src equals and source, copy paste, close it. See, it's coming big, so we'll make it small again. We'll use the width and height property. See, it's coming. Suppose I want this picture to be in the next line. For that we will use the BR tag, break tag. Okay, we can give border to this our file also. Picture. Okay, so these are the things we have learned, like heading tags, then alignment, how to align these tags, paragraph tags, then how to insert image. So thank you for today. This is all we have learned. On the next class we will see what we can learn more. Thank you.